two good news, actually three. That's the three listings that happened today. Let's look at Mobikwik, let's look at Vishal Mega Mart, and let's look at Sai Services. All three of them making supernormal money for investors. Mobikwik 528. Oh, this is interesting. A fresh intraday record high, and let us see what the last 1 hour brings. Maybe Avinash's luck is what is going to rub on Mobikwik. Vishal Mega Mart, the intraday high that I saw was 110. Okay, another intraday high, and the third one also. Sai Services. Let's see whether we can show that to you on the screen. Yes, Sai Life 37. Avinash, one set of market is very happy. The guys who got the allotment, and of course the merchant bankers and companies themselves. In these three, anything that you like?
No, I think Shell within the given choice, like today, three companies got listed. One is Vishal Mega Mart, second is Mobikwik, and then Sai Life. I think clearly Vishal Mega Mart seems to be the most attractive because I was just looking at the numbers. They operate in tier 2, tier 3 cities, and they in fact have a smaller size as compared to DMart. But if you see their EBITDA margins, they operate on 13-14% EBITDA margins. They don't have any debt on the books, fairly cash rich business, and I think a very well managed franchise. So I think currently the price which the stock is trading, it's traded at a 40% premium to its IPO price of 78 rupees. I would believe that there's good value even from these levels. I think the markets would look at numbers being maintained, data points being more strong, specifically in terms of the sales per store number which comes out post the December quarter. But I think broadly these are the kind of opportunities which investors should look at, because here the customer who comes to these shops is not a very sophisticated customer, but it represents a very large, massive opportunity. And unlike DMart, which is facing a margin problem, from the online, guys, I think here the opportunity to make a incremental upside on the margin and on the top line is quite significant. And of course, second issue which has been a kind of a very strong performer is Mobikwik. It got a very strong response from both the retail and the QIB investors. Mobikwik has been one of those companies which is compared to the younger brother of Paytm, but I think it's profitable. That is something which the markets have liked. So I think previously the company did plan to make a public issue. They decided to go slow, and then they came back with a revised offering after managing their finances in a much better way. So I think the price at which you are seeing the stock now today represents the optimism which people have got for the new age businesses. So I think if they continue to be profitable and if they continue to churn out positive cash flows, then I think Mobikwik also could be a very good addition to the portfolio. But yes, some amount of profit booking could come in because the IPO price was 278. In one day you're getting almost a doubling of that at 528, 530 odd. So some selling may come in, but I think longer term this is definitely an interesting bet in the fintech space.
Yes, and at 528 rupees, I think the market cap would be anywhere like 4,500 crore rupees. Let me just check this for you and then get back. But I agree to large parts of what you say. The fact that you have a similar product such as Paytm getting listed, minus the pains of Paytm, and the fact that Mobikwik is profitable, and the company ticked all the boxes when it came to raising funds for the very right reasons. So let's see how Mobikwik's journey is. But again, almost 100% rise in first day listing, and this is what is a bit terrifying for people who've been in the market for a long while, that you get such a bounce that pretty much value is wiped out from the first day, and you start chasing momentum. Market capitalization, ladies and gentlemen, of Mobikwik is 4,000 crore rupees. Revenue 875 crores. Trailing 12 months earnings is 14 crore rupees. Let us see how it goes, and we will also be awaiting Mobikwik's first quarterly numbers somewhere in early Jan. Let's see how it performs. But a mega listing of Mobikwik, Vishal Mega Mart, and of course Sai Life.